Hey there, BMX fans. Today, we're taking a look at the Yaphet 20-inch Freestyle BMX kids bike, perfect for riders over 6 years old, teens, and beginner riders. This stylish bike comes in multiple colors and offers everything a rider needs to hit the streets and pop off curbs. The durable frame is made from strong high-10 steel, providing reliable support and long-lasting comfort for riders. The drivetrain features a 165mm one-piece crank with a 25T chainring, along with an aluminum U-brake and hand brake levers for precision speed. Control.The wheelset features 20x 2.4 tires mounted on aluminum single-wall 36H rims, making it perfect for the street, park, or trails. Plus, the Yaphet K is easy to assemble, with 85% of the bike already put together and assembly tools included. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, you can ride with confidence knowing you're covered. So, if you're looking for a stylish, reliable, and easy-to-ride BMX bike, be sure to check out the Yaphet 20-inch Freestyle BMX Kids bike by clicking the link in the description below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome BMX content. Happy riding, everyone.